Welcome, fellow tech enthusiasts, to another deep dive into the world of innovation and technology at Technology Hub. If you've been keeping a close watch on Apple's developments, you're probably on the edge of your seat about the hotly anticipated iOS 18.3 update. But hold on to your keyboards, because a last-minute twist has just turned the heat up a notch. With every iOS release, Apple promises to enhance the user experience, and iOS 18.3 is no exception. This latest update is rumored to be a blend of bug fixes, performance boosts, and perhaps an array of new, exciting features. It's essentially a software spa treatment for your iPhone, ensuring it runs like a dream. So what's making waves with iOS 18.3? For starters, there's buzz about Apple linking this update with the Black Unity collection. Timed with February's Black History Month in the US, this could bring unique visual themes and wallpapers to your device. Keep an eye out for an exclusive peek into Apple's celebration of diversity. But here's the kicker. A bit of code sorcery has caught everyone's attention. A change in the final iOS build number from 22D60 to 22D61 at the very last minute has tech insiders in a swirl of speculation. Usually such tweaks hint at minor refinements. However, could it also mean a surprise addition we didn't see coming? Exclusive features like wallpapers or sneak peeks into future compatibility can't be rolled out. There's more. References to Unity 25 found in tvOS 18.3 hint at possibly new thematic elements in the iOS update. Just in time for February, a Black Unity-themed wallpaper could be the narrative style statement we're all waiting for. Now, when can you expect iOS 18.3 to hit your devices? If we go by Apple's track record, they have a penchant for releasing updates early in the week. Mark your tech calendars for Monday, January 27th or Tuesday, January 28th. It's coming soon. In preparation for this update, it's wise to clear some storage space. Back up your essential data via iCloud or iTunes, and make sure your device is juiced up. Keep that battery happy and above 50% before starting the download. With the iPhone 16 launch looming and WWDC 2025 on the horizon, who knows what other goodies Apple may have up its sleeve. The excitement isn't just about what's here, but what lies ahead, hinting at more groundbreaking announcements. That's a wrap on our iOS 18.3 insights. Are you ready for the update? Or do you have predictions of your own? Drop a comment below, and let's start a tech chat. Remember to like the video, subscribe to Technology Hub for more tech updates, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in. Stay techy, and see you next time.